What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use wireless DEX on Windows 11 with Samsung S26 Ultra. So firstly, swipe down from the top of your screen to access Quick Settings panel. Look for the DEX icon. If you don't see it, just open Settings, Connected Device, then Samsung DEX. Now tap the Start DEX button and you can toggle the settings to auto start DEX when plugging in an HDMI cable. Now when prompt, allow DEX to find and connect to nearby devices. This enables your iPhone to project monitors or PCs over Wi-Fi. You'll see a list of available displays. Just select it and confirm any pairing connection requests that appear. After connecting your phone, screen will switch to a desktop-like interface. You can now use apps, multitask, and work like on a PC. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.